sa mga estudyante natin sa kolehiyo, tara mag-aral tayo. Let's talk about the sum rule of differentiations. The sum rule of the differentiations is in the form of the derivative of the sum of the two or more functions is the sum of their derivatives. And it is in the form of d of x, which is equivalent to f of x plus g of x is also equivalent to the first derivative of f of x plus the first derivative of g of x. Let's have an example. Example number 1. Our problem is where we find out we're going to differentiate the given functions. For number 1, I have f of x is equals to x to the 10th power plus 7x to the 6th power minus x raised to negative 4 power plus 2. Simple lang natin we will just simply multiply our exponent to the base of our number. So that is equals to 10 times 1, 10. 10 minus 1, 9. This is our answer for the first term. 7 and 6 must be multiplied. 6 times 7, 42. X copia. 6 minus 1, 5. The answer for the second term. Then we have to multiply negative times negative, that is equals to positive. 4 times 1, 4. Negative 4 minus 1, that is equals to negative 5. We have our final answer. Let's have example number 2. Example, I have f of x is equals to 3x raised to the second power negative sign plus 5x 6 to the 6th power negative sign. Same process po tayo, walang magbabago. We're just simply going to multiply negative 2 times 3, that is equals to 6. And negative 2 minus 1, that is equals to negative 3. Then we're going to multiply negative 6 times positive 5, that is equals to negative 30. And the p subtract negative 6 minus negative minus 1, that is equals to negative 7. And that's it. That is our final answer. Okay, how about if I have this given function? F of x is equals to 1 over 6 t raised to the 6th power minus 1 over 5 t raised to the 5th power. To find for the first derivative, same rule, we have to multiply our exponent to the fraction, which is equals to 5 times 6. That is, again, that is 6 multiplied by 1, that is equal to 6 times 1 over 6. Then we have to subtract 6 minus 1, that is equals to 5. Therefore, our first term is 6 over 6 t raised to the 5th power minus 5 times 1, that is equals to 5 over 5. Then t raised to the 5th power minus 1, that is equals to 4th power. Then cancel out po natin yung 6 over 6. Cancel out natin yung 5 over 5. The remaining value is equivalent to t raised to the 5th power minus t raised to the 4th power, and that is our final answer. Now, how about if our problem is in this form? I have f of x is equals to 3 over x to the 4th power minus 1 over x to the 3rd power. Una natin gagawin is to rewrite the expressions into an exponential form, into this form. So, para ma-rewrite po natin ito, iaangat po natin or itataas po natin yung x to the 4th power. Pag iniangat po natin yan, magiging negative po yung kanyang exponent. Walang ibang nabago maliban sa exponent. Itinaas lang po natin dito. Then pag iniangat ko po ito, magiging ganito ang sagot. Since that is positive, magiging negative. Therefore, ang ating possible first derivative is equals to 3x raised to the 4th power negative sign minus x raised to the 3rd power negative sign. Ito po yung nare-write po natin na form from the fraction. Now, same rule. After natin nagawin yun, let us just multiply and follow the rules that is being given on how we derive the given expression. So that is 4 times 3, that is equals to negative 12. Then, copy yung x. Negative 4 minus 1, that is equals to negative 5. Then we have negative times negative, that is equals to positive. Then we have x copy. Let us multiply 3 times 1, that is equals to 3. Then copy yung x. Negative 3 minus 1, that is equals to negative 4. After na makuha natin yung sagot dito sa kanilang first derivative, we're going to bring it down the given expressions for this negative fractions for our final answer. So, ang maiwan lamang po yung 12, yung x raised to the fifth power, ibababa po natin, napunta siya dito, kaya po naging, remember na ang ating pong exponent is positive when we write this upward, so magiging negative. So, pag binalik natin, magiging positive pa rin po. So, we have to bring down yung x to the third power, and we will have our final answer for this given expressions. O, may tanong po ba? Hindi po ba? Ganila. Okay. How about if I have this problem? I have my number 5 problem. The problem is y is equals to the fourth root of s plus 1 over the cube root of s. Ito may mga iba't ibang klaseng rules tayong sinusunod before we find for the the final answer of these expressions. So una, ilalabas muna natin yung ating pong radical expressions, i-rewrite natin into an exponential form. Shortcut ito lamang po yun. Remember na meron po ditong 1 sa kanya. Pag any na pabalang number, ang ibig sabihin automatic po na meron pong exponential. So pag ililabas ko po ito sa exponential form, ilalabas ko rin yung x. Tapos tatanggalin ko lang yung radical expressions. Yung nanditong 1 yun po yung aking magiging numerator at ito pong aking magiging denominator. And therefore, pag nilabas ko natin yung s raised to into an exponential form is to become s raised to the 1/4 power plus, ito naman po ganun din po. So, we have s ilalabas po natin, then raised to 1/3 power. Okay. Pagkatapos po natin sila ilabas, ang kasunod po natin gagawin is now to multiply the given expressions, the given result. I-multiply po natin yung 1/4 dito. So that is equals to 1/4 times 1, that is equals to 1/4 s. Then we are going to subtract 1/4 minus 1. Ang kalalabasan po nun is 3/4. Plus we have multiply yung 1/3 dito. Multiply natin yung 1/3 dito. Then that is negative and is positive, kaya po magiging 1/3 s, then negative 1/3 minus 1 equals to negative 2/3. Kung nga po pala, bakit naging negative yung ating pong 1/3? Kanina kasi nasa ilalim siya. So nung nilabas natin, actually that is equals to s raised to 1/3. Kaya lang, iniangat po natin siya dito para makuha po natin ganun ang possible derivative. Kaya nung itinaas po natin sila dito, ang nangyari po is s raised to 1/3 negative. Kaya naging negative po yung 1/3. Di po ba dapat is s raised to 1/4 is positive kasi nga po wala nang po sila sa denominator. Pagkatapos po nun, ibababa lamang po natin yung expressions ng ating pong given result. So this will become 1/4 s 1/4 times the q, and then the fourth root of s cube minus 1/3 times the cube root of s over the cube root of s squared. And that is our possible, this is our final answer. This is the first derivative of our final answer. So, maraming salamat.